So I'm running Wan 2.2 with Comfy UI into Google Colab with the help of this service called Zerok. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can generate videos in Wan 2.2 14b and download those videos into your computer. So let's get it started. You can run Wan 2.2 14b to Google Colab as long as your system can run a browser. So before you get started, you will also need a Zerok account. First thing you will need is you will need to download this zip file. So you can download this file for free from the Patreon. But if you want to support me, there is a link in the description. So once you extract the downloads, you will see this file with the instructions, and you will also get the workflow of Wan 2.2. Okay, so you will need to go to the Google Colab, the link in the description, and then once you are inside the Colab, you can click on this new notebook button. Once you click on the new notebook button, it will take you to this page, and here you will need to select the T4 GPU. So let's get started. Let's just run these commands that you can find into the notepad file, and it is important to run them in the exact order. You don't have to follow each section. You can run multiple section commands at once, and you should be fine as long as they are in order, right? So in order to start the Comfy UI, so this is important, you will need this token here. You need to copy your own token and then paste it into the correct place, and once you do that, you can basically start. And once when it runs first time, it will do is it will download the Zerok. Now the next thing you need to do is that you need to import your workflow. So I already gave you the workflow in the zip file. So all you need to do is just drag that workflow here. Just drag the workflow on the Comfy UI and you already have the workflow. And it has these things like high and low modular loading. The gguf is loading, but make sure these are correct. So we will just drag the image. This is the image, and then all you need to do is just run start. Once the video is created, you can download it from the Comfy UI folder into Colab. You click on this files link, Comfy UI folder, and then you go to the output, and then the video folder. Right there is your video, and we can just click on these three dots. When you hover over it, three dot appear, you just click on the download, and the video is downloaded. So the video is downloaded, and this is running into my own computer, right? And you can always upscale the video. Since we are running both high and low noise into different samplers, what will happen is after each run, you will need to restart the Zerok. Why? Because you run out of the RAM. Here you can see how much RAM this is using. You see that spike, it went from like 4 GB to 11 GB. Stop this cell and then start it again. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you run the kill commands. What you do when you start the Colab is you make sure to release all the previous environments if they are there, right? So let's say I'm just starting my day, but this environment has been running. Now there are two environments running. Then this command to start the Zerok will fail. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to come here, this link. Again, you can access this link from my Zerok/dashboard, and then you can access this link from here, from the left sidebar, right? You can access it from here, and you come here, and what you do is you click on this toggle interface mode, and then you just release it. Release this environment. I'm not going to do it because currently it's being used for me, but for you, if you get an error, cannot start the Zerok environment or something like that, you can just release the previous environment.